Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up an automation using a powerful tool called SendPulse, which will automatically reply to comments and send DMs on your behalf on your Facebook page. So I've got the website pulled up for it here. There's a link in the description below where you can get started completely for free. This allows you to drive your lead generation, audience engagement, and customer retention all on a single platform. So I've personally been using this tool myself for around 2 years to automate engagement on my page. I've got about 175,000 followers on my Facebook page. I get a lot of comments every single day, so it doesn't make sense to go through and manually respond to all of these comments. Why not just automate it using a tool like SendPulse? So you can create chatbots within here, which I'll show you how to do in this tutorial. And you can get started completely for free, and then they also have paid plans as well. But to start, you could just start with $10 a month, depending on the number of subscribers you have. And all you have to do to sign up is just click up here and you can sign in with your Facebook account. So I've already got an account. I'm just going to go ahead and log in with Facebook real quick, and that will connect it up to my messenger essentially. This is your dashboard. As you can see, you've got email marketing, you've got chatbots, it even has a CRM built into it as well. So if I come over to my inbox here, I can show you what this looks like. So yeah, here it is, and it's automatically sending these messages to people who comment on my posts, just thanking them for the comment, and then it gives them a few different options here to select from. This is all being done within SendPulse. So now I'm logged into the right account, and basically to get started you just have to connect up your Facebook Messenger. It will ask you to enter in a code, and then it will connect it up for you. You can also integrate Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram, Viber, and live chat into here as well. But in this particular case, I'm just focusing on Facebook because that's where the majority of my followers are, right? So in order to get started, all you have to do is click on create a trigger here, and you can either use a keyword, so to reply to incoming messages with specific text, or you can react to public comments on selected posts. That could be any post or specific post. For specific posts, you will have to upgrade your pricing plan, but in my case, I just want to respond on any post. I've already got a standard reply set up here, and this is what it looks like. It's very simple. Basically, you've just got this starting trigger right here, and then once it receives a comment, it will automatically send a DM here that says, thanks for your comment on my page. Select from the free options below for more info, right? If I want to edit this, I just click on Edit Workflow, and then I can select this message and add whatever I want in here. It could just be like a simple text reply, or you can actually add buttons in here so they can click on the button and then they can check out your various resources. In my case, I just have a Facebook group with about 20,000 members in it. I've got my YouTube channel with roughly 13,000 subscribers, and then also my school community, which is over here, roughly 1,000 members in here. So these are the options that I want to give them. And then once they click on one of these buttons, it will just close the chat. You could also add a tag here as well to assign, let's say, a lead. But in this case, I don't want to be sending more messages to the person, so I just close the chat. So they only get one message and then that's it. Otherwise, it's going to start bothering the person, right? If you keep sending messages over and over again every time they post a comment. And then you can edit the trigger here as well. So these are the comments that people are, every time I get a comment, it will respond with one of these randomly generated comments. Appreciate your support. Thanks for your comment. Thanks for stopping by. And then you can also ignore repeated triggers here as well, so that it doesn't respond to comments like, let's say, every 12 hours. It will just wait to respond. So there we go. So that's a really easy way to automatically respond to comments, and you can also send the DMs automatically as well. And you can also set up a menu as well. So if someone sends you a message, they have the option to, like, let's say, schedule a call, or go to your website. You can do that directly through here as well. And you can set bot variables, and you can also configure webhooks through here, but you will need the paid plan in order to do that. They also have integrations as well. So you can integrate with, let's say, ChatGPT, for example, This you will actually need the paid plan in order to get access to. It used to be available for free, but now you need to upgrade to the paid plan, which is only $10 per month to start, so very affordable. And I will most likely go ahead and do that so that I get access to ChatGPT. Wow. So in order to do that, all you have to do is drag in an AI agent. And then over here, you can select the model of GPT you want to use. But again, you will need to upgrade to the paid plan in order to do this, which I'm going to do pretty soon. And that way, it can post ChatGPT generated responses. So it's not just the same comment or DM every single time. It will actually use ChatGPT to generate a response based on what the person has said. So that way, it's not so blatantly obvious that it's just a bot that's responding, because sometimes this actually annoys people, as you can imagine, and they get angry. It doesn't really matter because this saves me a lot of time. It doesn't make a lot of sense for me to go through and manually respond to comments all the time. It's just very tedious. And this way, I don't have to hire a virtual assistant or, hire an employee to manage my Facebook page. I can just use an automated chatbot to do it for me within SendPulse. It just automatically responds to the comment and it sends them a DM over right away. As you can see here, it's just using the randomly generated canned response. Thanks for sharing, thanks for your comment. And yeah, it just saves me a lot of time. So I highly recommend using SendPulse. There's another one called ManyChat, which is also very popular. A lot of people like to use this one. I just find that SendPulse has more features for the price, but ManyChat's also very affordable. It's only $15 per month to start, and that includes Instagram direct messages, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and you can respond based on keywords as well. So ManyChat's also a great option. It's just up to you in terms of the feature set that you're looking for. I really like SendPulse, and it's scalable as well. So depending on how many subscribers you have, it's just going to be like a sliding scale, how much you're going to be spending. And I've actually maxed out my total number of contacts. I've got 1,700 in here, and my limit is only 500, so I will have to actually upgrade. It's just because I'm sending so many DMs and comments using this tool, and every time I send a comment or a message, it adds that person into my subscribers. So it's also got the CRM built into it as well, and you can see over here all of your contacts. So it's got the CRM built in. I'm just getting new contacts every single day. It may be a good idea to actually use this to ask for people's emails as well, but that's a little bit personal, and I would just prefer not to do that. It's mostly just a way to get people over to my other resources like the Facebook group, the YouTube channel, and the school community. So yeah, highly recommend checking out SendPulse. Again, link in the description below, completely free to get started. And I do recommend upgrading to the paid plan, which is only $10 per month to start. That includes advanced features, unlimited messages per month, so you can send as many DMs as you want. On the free plan, it's limited to 10,000, which is also still plenty of message capability. And you get unlimited bots, unlimited triggers and flows, unlimited variables, no branding from SendPulse. It also includes webhooks. You can accept payments, so if you want to just charge people, for something, then you can do that as well. That's the best way to get started. You can also view all of your messages through here as well. So you don't actually have to go over to Facebook to look through your messages. You can do everything directly from within SendPulse as well. So really comes in handy if you want to start following up with people quickly and easily. You can just use SendPulse to do all that, and you can add deals through here into the CRM as well. Maybe I'll build out an automation to do this as well using Make.com, but it's fairly limited in terms of what it can do. You can automate your messenger, but it can't actually automatically respond to comments and send DMs as far as I know. Feel free to join my school community. We've got about 1,000 members in here at the time of recording. It's growing fast, and I talk all about how to build AI automations to save time and money for your business. I've got tutorials, courses, templates, and also in templates. You can schedule a strategy call with me. You can apply to work with me, and I've got a coaching program which is high ticket in here as well. So feel free to join the school community, link in the description below. With that being said, signing off. Stay tuned for the next tutorial. Take care, stay safe. Peace from Thailand.